throttle warning.
What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with ChopShop UFO, the Whirlie Bird 100. This came from the ChopShop. I built it on the ChopShop channel, so if you want to know more details about it or see how it was built, I'll have a link in the description so you can go check that out. But this thing has a run cam micro on it. It's running the new Baby Hawk props. I think they're 2, 3, 4, 5 props. And it has all the electronics from the Full Speed Fighter 130 on it. So these are 1106 7500 kV motors on here, and the stack is this is actually a 20 amp ESC 4-in-1. I was told by the guys at Full Speed that Gearbest just made a mistake on the amperage of on how many amps the ESCs were. They had them listed at 10 amps or 12 amps or something like that, but these are 20 amp ESCs. And well, let's just get this thing up in the air because it's kind of cold out here, and the cold weather be really doing a number on the batteries. So we're going to try to get this thing up in the air. I was having a problem on the ChopShop with it because I had the run cam's power being powered off of the VTX that came with the stack and all, and that was causing the problem. So now I got it running straight to the battery lead. Hopefully that solved all the issues. So let's take off with this thing and see how it flies. Let's check a punch out. Oh, by the way, I have a 450 milliamp hour GMB battery in here. So it rolls nice. Flies nice. So pretty decent on 2S power. Looks nice in the air. I like the way it looks. I like the way it rolls. Looks like a Whirlie bird a little, doesn't it? So let's do some FPV with it. Man, it's really power hungry. I can say that about it. The yaw is really fast. Seems like it made the yaw a bit more sensitive. And this battery is trying to tap out already. We're reading 7.2 volts. Now I have to get rid of, this is the Run Cam Micro 2. Version 2 has OSD, so I'm going, and I don't know how to turn off the OSD on here. I don't think you can. So I'm going to have to turn off some of the OSD functions in beta flight. So the buzzer's hollering at me. I have a 3S Nanotech out here. I wanted to test it with that too. The cold weather is really doing a number on the battery. But no brownouts though. Let's go for a power loop. So power loop. Whirlie Bird 100, ChopShop UFO. Thanks for watching.